Hello students, welcome to the chapter of life processes. Today we will mainly discuss the digestive system of man and the process of digestion. So before we start the chapter, kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel for other videos. The main parts of digestive system of man are as following. Mouth has three main parts, namely salivary gland, teeth and tongue. Esophagus is just a tube connecting mouth and stomach. Muscular peristalsis is created here. Stomach has digestive glands which secrete an enzyme called pepsin. It also secretes hydrochloric acid and mucus. Stomach leads to small intestine which has three parts, namely duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Small intestine leads into large intestine which has three parts, colon, rectum and anus. First part of alimentary canal is mouth. Mouth has four types of teeth. Incisors for biting, canines for tearing, molars and premolars for chewing and grinding the food. Mouth has muscular tongue which helps in chewing by moving food in the mouth. Saliva makes the food moist. Saliva is secreted by salivary glands which contains enzyme called salivary amylase that breaks down starch into maltose. After mouth comes esophagus. No chemical change takes place here. Only alternate wave of contraction and relaxation called peristalsis is created. Next part of alimentary canal is stomach. In stomach, digestive glands produce mucus. Mucus protects the inner lining of stomach from the acid and reduces acidity. Hydrochloric acid performs two actions in stomach. It makes the medium acidic for the action of enzyme called pepsin. Hydrochloric acid also kills microbes which enter along with food. Pepsin, which is an enzyme, breaks down proteins and works only in acidic medium. From stomach, food goes to small intestine for complete digestion. Bile juice from liver converts acidic medium into alkaline medium and breaks down bigger fat molecules into smaller size. This process is known as emulsification. Pancreatic juice contains enzyme trypsin, which converts proteins into amino acid. Enzyme lipase breaks down emulsified fats into fatty acid and glycerol. Enzyme pancreatic amylase breaks down starch into maltose. Inner lining of small intestine has projections called villi, which increase surface area for absorption of food. The undigested food is passed from small intestine to the large intestine. The walls of large intestine absorb water from undigested food. Rest of the material is stored temporarily in rectum, then passed out through anus. There are glands which help in digestion. Salivary gland present in the mouth. Liver present above stomach. Pancreas present in the loop of small intestine. Tooth decay. It occurs when dentine and enamel become soft. Bacteria along with sugar forms acid that demineralize or destroy enamel. Masses of bacteria with food stick to teeth to form plaque. Brushing thoroughly can avoid formation of plaque. If untreated, microbes may reach pulp cavity causing infection. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for other videos.